usual, was looking for Charlie the cat. Charlie! Charlie! Where are you? Meow! Cried Charlie the cat. Ah, there you are, said Shasha. As soon as Charlie the cat saw Shasha coming towards him, he sprang up and started to run away, leaving Shasha chasing after him in circles. They ran and ran until Charlie the cat got tired and stopped running. Shasha finally caught Charlie the cat. Naughty cat, said Shasha as she brought him to her bedroom for tea. Tea time! Cried Shasha loudly. Aren't you excited? Charlie the cat groaned. Now, open wide, said Shasha, feeding the cat. Charlie had to chew all the food that Shasha was forcing him to eat, but it was too much for Charlie the cat. Oh no! Naughty cat! Is the food really that bad? Again, Charlie the cat groaned. I think somebody needs a bath. Now, let's clean yourself up. Wash, wash, wash. Charlie is bathing in the water. Oh no! Meow! Naughty cat! Cried Shasha as she pulled Charlie out of the water. Meow! Now, it's grooming time, said Shasha after drying Charlie the cat. There you go, all clean and nice. Charlie the cat had just enough of Shasha. He just can't stand any more of her running, feeding, bathing, and all the grooming. So he went to the backyard to get away from Shasha. As he was wandering in the backyard, he suddenly slipped and fell into the pond. Meow! Charlie the cat cried for help. Luckily, Shasha heard Charlie the cat and rushed outside quickly. Splash! Shasha jumped in the pond. As Charlie the cat was drowning, Shasha grabbed the cat's paw and pulled him out of the water. Oh, Charlie, I thought I was going to lose you. Purr. Charlie purred, thanking Shasha.